how to use H&M gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your H&M gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you can do is first at the H&M website, you can simply go ahead and add the product to your bag, and you will have to proceed to checkout now. Now at the moment I'm having some issues during my billing address information here, but once you enter in your billing address there at the checkout page, you'll have to select the option that says add a gift card, and then you'll have to select your gift card. So this way you can simply go ahead and enter the gift card number and pin code in the pop-up screen, and then you can use a gift card to pay for your entire order online or combine it with all other payment methods. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.